At TA Targets, we know that you might not be able to afford a full system or a base right now, but that does not mean that your training should stop there. That is why we created this, the DIY cardboard target base. At TA Targets, we create high quality steel targets. So you might be asking yourself, why is TA creating a budget product that people can make at home? Well, the answer is simple. We want to inspire individuals to become capable providers and protectors. And if we can do that by offering something free to you, then it's a win. Well, this budget base does not replace our current bases. It's a great way to get into training on a budget. So let's dive in to see what this base is all about. We wanted to make a base that was versatile and could fit more than just USPSA cardboard targets. This base is constructed out of 2x4s, and we have two different slots here. These two on the far ends are for sticks to go in for your USPSA cardboard targets, and the ones nearest to the center are for our C-Zone cardboard targets, which I highly recommend and are a great training and value aid. You can find those in the description down below. Is this base the right base for you? Possibly, but it still leaves some things to be desired. And though this base does have a few cons, let's talk about the pros first. For instance, it is budget friendly. You're not gonna be dropping $100 on a base just to use it for cardboard, even when you don't even get out to shoot that much. But this will get you into your shooting journey at a low cost. And on top of that, you don't have to just shoot USPSA targets, because as I said earlier, you have room for other sizes. That being said, if you want this base to last you longer, take care of it. Bring it home, store it in a dry place, and it will serve you for longer. You might be thinking to yourself, oh, I could use this base for my steel targets. That's where you're gonna be incorrect, because this base is not gonna be as sturdy or stable with steel targets as it will be with cardboard. The other note is that this base is going to take time to build, which means you're going to lose time on training. One last thing to note is that anything downrange is going to get shot and is going to fracture, and this base is no exception. Unlike steel target bases, wood is naturally gonna have a shorter lifespan. If you guys found any of this information to be helpful, go ahead and like this video. And additionally, in the link in the description, we're gonna have C-Zone cardboard targets, USPSA targets, and the blueprints for this cardboard target base. And any questions that you guys might have about this or any of our products can go straight to info@tatargets.com. Additionally, you can always reach me personally at petern@tatargets.com, and I'm here to help.